Hi Dermstore followers, my name is Sonia and I'm part of the buying team here at Dermstore.
And I'm Jordan, and I'm part of the marketing team. And we're here today to talk about our favorite holiday kits for skintellectuals, for experts like Sonia, and novices like myself. So the first kit we're gonna talk about is our Dr. Dennis Gross Holiday Kit. It's the Do Holiday Right Kit. This is one of the best valued kits on our site. It's $60 with a $123 value, which is basically a 50% saving. This is great for anybody that lives in a colder climate or has dry skin. I grew up in Chicago and this is a lifesaver during the winter.
And that's because of all the hyaluronic acid in these products. Some of the products that are included in the kit are the cleansing gel, the daily peels, the eye gel, and the moisturizer. The cleansing gel here is really great because it's a 2-in-1 product, so it gives you that exfoliation and cleansing all in one product. Some of the acids that are included in the product are salicylic, glycolic, so it's great for acne-prone skin as well. And then the daily peels are a 2-step product that is our holy grail here at Dermstore. And then the moisturizer, like I mentioned, is full of hyaluronic acid, so that's perfect for those cold winter months where you just need that extra moisture.
This kit is great for novices like me that are ready to start their skincare journey. This is our Is Clinical Holiday Kit. It's our Exquisite Essentials collection. It's great for anti-aging. It is $95 at a $122 value, which is a great deal. And it has one of my favorite products in it, the Cleansing Complex.
Actually, Jordan, it's not just your favorite, it's actually a bestseller on dermstore.com as well. The cleansing complex is great for anti-aging. It's also great for acne-prone skin due to the salicylic acid. The active serum, which is another product in the kit, is also full of salicylic acid, so it's great for that as well. It also targets other concerns such as discoloration, redness, inflammation. And then our other product in here is the Youth Eye Complex, and this also is great. It pretty much targets any eye area concern that you might have, so puffiness, dark circles,
my fine lines and wrinkles.
Yeah, crow's feet. So it's pretty much an all-around great product to have in this kit. And this is only a small selection of our holiday kits. Feel free to go to our website, dermstore.com, to check out our full collection of holiday kits.
Thanks for joining us today. Treat your favorite skintellectuals to some of our favorite holiday kits.
Happy holidays!